As the backbone of the Mica mounting system, Mica poles give you the flexibility to combine multiple Mica elements. On top, you also get various options to mount the pole itself to create exactly the kind of setup you need. The best and most stable way to attach the system pole to your desk or workstation is the System Pole Desktop Mounting Kit. It can be used for panel thickness with up to 50 mm. Simply drill a hole with a 12 mm diameter. Two sturdy, large washers secure a durable fit of the system pole. They help to achieve maximum carrying capacity. One of the mounting kit's washers will be visible on top, one will be hidden underneath the desk. One of the washers is aluminum colored and one is black. You can choose the color of the visible one according to your pole's color. As an alternative to mount Mica system poles to your desk, we offer the Mica Pole Table Clamp. Choose it to mount a pole to the edge of your desk. The System Pole Ceiling Mounting Kit gives you the option to attach a Mica system pole to your ceiling. Also, it is the only way to mount mic arms to the ceiling. To mount Mica system poles to your ceiling, attach your system pole to the ceiling mount by using a single screw. After that, the ceiling mount will be attached to your ceiling with 4 screws that need 8 mm holes. Make sure that your ceiling and fasteners are suitable to hold the load. Large working space, you can use Mica system walls and place them between 2 Mica system poles. Mica system walls are available in 3 different lengths: 80, 100 and 120 cm. 2 horizontal, full-length grooves serve as space to mount Mica items. To attach Mica mic arms and Mica Easy Lift monitor arms, you need to use the Mica system wall adapter. Please note that standard Mica monitor arms cannot be attached to Mica system walls. Monitor arms need to be mounted directly to Mica poles.